Hello everyone and welcome to Crypto with Rishi. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of blockchain technology. In just 5 minutes, we'll uncover the essentials, demystify the jargon, and explore the incredible potential of this game-changing innovation. So, let's get started. First things first, what is blockchain? Blockchain technology was developed as the underlying technology for Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency. The concept of blockchain was introduced by an anonymous entity or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto in a whitepaper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, published in October 2008. At its core, a blockchain is a decentralized, digital ledger. Imagine it as a chain of blocks, each containing a list of transactions. Once a block is added, it's virtually impossible to alter, making it extremely secure and transparent. It's important to note that blockchain operates on a decentralized network of computers, or nodes. This means no single entity has control, making it trustless and resistant to tampering. So, what are the key features of blockchain technology? 1. Decentralization. Decentralization means no central authority. Instead, it's maintained by a network of participants who validate and record transactions. This reduces the risk of a single point of failure. 2. Security. Cryptography secures the data within each block. Once a block is added, it's linked to the previous one through cryptographic hashes, creating a secure chain. 3. Transparency. Every participant has access to the entire blockchain, making it transparent. Anyone can verify transactions. Now, let's explore some of the exciting use cases of blockchain technology. 1. Cryptocurrencies. The first and most famous application is cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Blockchain enables secure and decentralized digital currencies. 2. Smart contracts. Ethereum introduced smart contracts. These self-executing contracts automatically enforce and execute agreements without intermediaries. 3. Supply chain management. Blockchain is used to track products in the supply chain, ensuring transparency and authenticity. Of course, blockchain isn't without its challenges. 1. Scalability. Blockchain networks can become slow and inefficient as they grow. Solutions like Layer 2 scaling are being explored. 2. Energy consumption. Some blockchains, like Bitcoin, consume a significant amount of energy due to the proof-of-work consensus mechanism. Many are working on more energy-efficient alternatives. What does the future hold for blockchain technology? 1. Financial services. Blockchain has the potential to revolutionize traditional financial systems, making transactions faster and cheaper. 2. Identity verification. It could be used for secure and efficient identity verification, reducing identity theft and fraud. 3. Voting systems. Blockchain can enhance the security and transparency of voting systems. Blockchain technology has since expanded beyond cryptocurrencies and is now used in various industries, including finance, supply chain, healthcare, and more, to provide secure, transparent, and decentralized solutions for a wide range of applications. It continues to be a field of ongoing innovation and development. And that's a wrap on our whirlwind tour of blockchain technology. We've only scratched the surface of this vast and evolving field. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things blockchain and technology related. If you want more in-depth content on blockchain or any other tech topic, leave your suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of technology.